Hi guys, welcome back. I have great news for you. The pencils are in. They are on Amazon. I wasn't expecting them until Monday. That's when Andy said that they were going to start sales. So, of course, I he doesn't have the code yet. He's applied for the code. It should be there tonight. As soon as he gets this code, you should get it. Now, if you buy it now, there's a 5% off of the price. When you buy it, once I give you the code, you're going to get a lot more money. Don't panic because even if these sets run out, the pre-sales run out, he has a lot more in his warehouse waiting to be shipped over to Amazon. So it's going to go really quick. So I will put out the code as soon as Andy gets it in. I'm so excited. If you want to take a look at them, the link is in the description and you can just wait a couple of hours and then you'll be able to use the code. And I will see you later on tonight in the video. Take care.